Live from New Delhi, you're watching DD India News Hour, India's voice to the world with me, Deepika, coming up in the next 1 hour. Donald Trump ends high security situation room meeting on Iran without conclusive decision. White House officials say deal only possible if Tehran agrees to call conditions. Amid growing tension, US hails productive military talks between Israel and Lebanon, reiterates need to exert all efforts to reach a ceasefire. Myanmar President begins his India visit from Bodh Gaya, reflects the strong spiritual, historical and people-to-people ties between the two nations. And in sports, rock-solid Arsenal ready for PSG test in final of UEFA Champions League tonight at Puskás Arena of Budapest. PSG aims to win back-to-back European Cups.